Hey there, NEET warriors. NTA just dropped the final syllabus for NEET 2026, which more or less confirms what NMC had already posted in the December of 2025. Even though the syllabus remains the same, let us take a look at a bit of the highlights of this syllabus. Physics and chemistry absolutely remain the same. If you take a look at the syllabus which was posted, all the chapters and units were just listed, which we had already seen for NEET 2025. In biology as well, the syllabus just mirrors what we have already seen in NEET 2025. Just a few points to remember. Again, the emphasis was given in the 5 families from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plant. Apart from this, there is a special highlight which was given in the syllabus for the disorders from various chapters of human physiology, which we might need to focus a bit more because it was specially highlighted in this syllabus. Apart from this, everything remains the same. The frog and cockroach are expected to come from the chapter Structural Organization in Animals, as they have written the morphological description of an insect and in bracket frog is given. So that is all about the syllabus. There are no surprises. You do not need to prepare or worry about something new. Everything remains the same. So buckle up and prepare for NEET 2026 in the best way possible. All the best.